Snooki? Pwede ka ba sa mga ganong pangalan? Snooki? Snooki! Ito si Ramin. Ramin, paano ka magpakilala sa isang babae? Sige nga. Ay, sige. Panalig mo sa amin. Ready? Camera, action.
By the way, Ramin, anak ng nanay.
Ikaw naman. Sagot mo doon. Sinabi na sagot mo daw sa anak ng nanay. Anak ng nanay niya. Ano sagot mo doon?
Anak din ako ng nanay ko.
May originality ka? Galing mo tayo. Sige. Kami kayo dito. Ayan. So, ano ba ginagawa sa buhay?
Working naman, tapos sideline ka.
Working ka. Anong field ka?
Sa logistic.
Logistic? Ayan. Magaling sa mga schedule. On time palagi yung mga logistic na yan. Logistic ka ngayon. Okay. Ayan. Ikaw naman, ano ginagawa mo sa buhay? Snooki.
Nagtrabaho ko sa Red Ribbon.
Sa Red Ribbon. Maybe ka ba sa mga cake?
Oo.
Ayan. Ang chocolate cake. Alam mo na? Okay. So ngayon, halimbawa lang, magkamay muna kayo. Kasi nagkakalala kayo naman, may shake hands. Shake hands. Ayun! Alright, ayan. Pinatataman ka ba kamay ba? Pinatataman ka ba yung kamay yan? Wala. Dead man. Ganun. Sige. Halimbawa lang, okay, bago natin gawin yung ating gagawing garter, ha? Halimbawa lang, magkakajowa kayo. Okay, hypothetical yung question. Hypothetical. If ever you'll be jowa. Okay, what do you want to call each other? Sige. Ay, sige. Ito maganda sa lalaki sagutin. Tanongin. Sige. 1, 2.
Typical naman.
Sige, ano nga?
Mahal ka.
Mahal. Okay. Sakayin ka ba doon? Okay, wait. May gusto siyang sabihin. Ano bang gusto mo? Kung sakali, may jowa ka, ano gusto mong tawagan yun? Wala. Grabe. O sige, ano nga? Hindi ba may jowa? Hindi ka pa nagkakajowa?
Wala talaga akong gusto.
Okay, hindi ka na nagkakajowa. Hindi ka pa nagkajowa. So, NBSP ka?
Yes po.
Ay, grabe. So, naiintindi natin yun. Kasi wala ka pang naranasan na love life. Okay, that is why we're going to use the mahal na suggestion itong si Nina. Ha? Okay. So, ngayon, doon ka muna. Right? Stay there. And we'll be having a special cheer here from Snooki. Snooki, come and sit down here. Right? Yan. So, Brian, please give me now the garter. Please. Okay. Ayan. Isang taga-ribbon at isang nagtatrabaho sa logistics. Right, you have to do this with the best way possible. Alright, so have to dance just like what he did. Alright, Brian did. Or even better. Alright, so you're going to put that garter onto her leg while doing a sexy dance as you approach her. Alright, so the couple will decide if it's higher or enough when you put the garter onto the leg. Alright, ready?
Ready?
Okay, ganito para mas ganahan kayo yung mahal, we're going to use mahal. Alright? Snooki just for fun, alright? You're going to talk to each other now. You're going to entice each other with these statements, alright? Right. So Snooki, entice him, seduce him by saying, Mahal, come and put the garter. In the most malambing way. Ready? Camera action.
Mahal, kami to the garter.
Okay, it's not so clear. You cannot feel the feel. 1, 2, 3.
Mahal, coming to the garter.
Come and put the garter. Sige, parang come and eat the garter, narinig ko eh. Sige, come and eat the garter. Alright, one more time.
Mahal, coming to the garter.
Okay, pumasok ako sa garter, sa butas sa garter. Come into the garter. Come and put the garter. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mahal, come and put the garter.
Okay, sabi mo sa kanya, parang ganito, Mahal, I am coming.
Mahal, I'm coming.
DJ music, please. Ay. Opo? Sanay na sanay? Grabe. Mukhang expert ko, ha? Ilagay? Okay, Brian and Rian, it now lies on in your hands. If it's higher or enough. Higher. Higher now, higher. Ayan, higher or enough? Konti na lang na higher. Up, 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 up. Okay. Enough, palakpakan po natin sila, right? And they'll be, of course, it's not yet over. Please join them on the stage, please, here. For a special photo ops. Huwag mo lang tanggalin yan, itaas mo na lang. Memory souvenir yan dito. Lagi ka mo, Snooki. Uy, ilalayin mo naman si Snooki, pataasos. Dapat gentleman ka. Alright, oh, okay, alright. So, okay, Snooki. Alright, Jen. Both, okay, please stand up. Okay, both women will be at the center, Snooki. Stand beside the bride. Of course, beside you also, of course, is Ramil. And you're going to have your group picture taken, of course. Look at the camera, smile. Parang sa lang yung masaya ngayong gabi ito, no? Hindi naman siguro. Yan. Of course, alam niyo talaga pag MBS, siyempre walang karanasan, makipagrelasyon, so we understand. Di ba? Who knows, di ba? Nasa tamang edad naman itong siya, Snooki. Okay. Closer. Thank you so much. And napalakpakan po natin si Ramil and Snooki. And, alright.